Hey everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing my heart tag chain link necklace from Tiffany, so stay tuned. Alright, so I've had this necklace for about 1 year now, and the reason I decided to talk about it is as I've gotten older, I've gotten a little more in the habit of purchasing jewelry that I can wear on a daily basis that just kind of looks nice with everything, so that I can really easily get dressed up, that I can always be kind of dressy or have like a dressy essence about myself, so to speak. So I have some other Tiffany pieces that I really like, and I wanted a necklace. So when I went to Tiffany's and looked around, this was the one that I saw that I really liked, but the way it comes is it is 14.5 inches long, and I know that, you know, I kind of have a chubby baby face. I'm also 6 feet tall, so I don't know if that makes my neck bigger than other people's, I don't know. But I just wanted something a little longer than that. So they actually let me know that they can extend jewelry pieces and kind of make changes to them and things like that. So I ended up, after doing some measurements in the store, having about 3 inches added to my necklace, which has been great. So I wish I could tell you how much I paid for the necklace in addition to the enhancement, but I honestly do not remember. I know that right now the necklace retails for $625. I do know that the necklace extension was about $300, but Tiffany's tends to raise their prices periodically. So I'm ballparking that I may have paid somewhere between $800 to $900 for this necklace. And you know, you may be wondering, well, is that worth it? Is it not? You know, it's other people who make silver jewelry and things like that. I know that for me personally, I really like some of Tiffany's classic pieces and just kind of like the look of the classic pieces. And I'm going to take this off so that you can see it a little more up close. Like I said, I've had it for about a year now. One of the things that I love about this necklace is I love the chain link feature, the little circles that are kind of connected to each other. And then if you see it up close, you can see there's not really any break in the circle like you might expect to see. Okay. So if you look at the chain link necklace up close, you would think that, you know, in your mind that maybe some of the circles you would see kind of where the circle starts and the circle ends. But the way they kind of make their jewelry and solder it together, you really can't see a start or an end to the necklace, which makes it just extremely durable. Like I said, I've had it a year now, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. One thing about the necklace is it's kind of heavy. So if I fall asleep with it on, I can definitely kind of feel it on my neck. I can feel it fall to the side, and that makes it a little uncomfortable. Only uncomfortable in the sense that I can actually kind of feel it like on my body. So usually at that point I'll take it off. But if you watch a lot of my videos that I have on my channel, probably any picture I've taken over the past year, I pretty much had this on. Another nice quality I think to this piece, because it is such a neutral piece, is that you can layer it with other necklaces. So I have a really nice collection of fashion jewelry, so I tend to layer this sometimes with other necklaces, and it gives just a really nice effect. So I have some other pieces from Tiffany's that, you know, I'll do some videos on if you all are interested. But together they kind of make, you know, a nice little collection, like I said, of a really nice day jewelry look. So I've been very pleased and happy with it, especially with the unique length that I have mine at. So if you've been on the fence about this necklace, I'd say definitely pick it up. It's worth adding, especially if you are someone who likes to wear kind of like quality pieces every day or every other day. This would be a really good addition to your collection. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.